Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on OnePlus 12. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and then scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. Now your account has been deleted, so now you have to recover your account by using Google Play Store, for example. Now click sign in. And here you have to enter your email and then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover my account I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And your parental control is now bypassed and your account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.